Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a Sudoku with 4 stars in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, October the 25th, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle. It's a tough one, the Sudoku with 3 stars. Seems like it's a 4 stars Sudoku, yeah. 3 puzzles are left. The binary, the tectonic, in Dutch they call it cijferblok, and this one I will continue, is a 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku number, this will be number 5381. 5381. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. The printed digits in this puzzle, we have here one less than the previous Sudoku, 24 printed digits. Alright, it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve this puzzle. Yes, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. Well, the previous one has not has a lot of pairs, but next to the pairs we have also triplets. Yeah, triplets. Oh, okay. Alright, let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones, 2 twos, 1 3, 4 fours. Alright, 4 fours. 2 fives, 4 sixes. Alright, 1 2 sevens, 2 eights, 3 nines. So the 4s and the 6s are in majority. Can I start with the 6s or the 7s? Oh, no, the 4s. Let me check for 4. For the 4 in the first column, the 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the first row, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. Alright. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this second row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Alright. Can I go back to the 6? Yeah. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row. No 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, okay. 6. 6. Cannot continue. Well, not true. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 3 boxes here. 6 in this column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. Alright. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the second row, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 6. 2 9 3. Okay. And now. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. I should be here. 5, 5, okay. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 5, I should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5. 5, 5. In the second row, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing number in the second row is number 5. Well, we have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. Here 5 in this column. No 5 there. Here 5 in this column, so no 5 there. Here 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in the second row should be there. Yeah. Okay. Now I cannot continue with the 5. Let me see which number can I pick. How about 6, 1. I'm thinking. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 4 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 2, 3, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 7. And look, we have a 1, the 2, this should be a 3, and a 7. 1, 2, 7. So 1 digit left should be the 3 here. Alright. So 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 7 are left in the second row. And look, we have a 2 and a 7 in this column. So no 2 and a 7 in this box. The 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in the second row for number 1. Yeah. Okay, we have a pair, 5 and a 7 in this column, 5 and a 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 7 and 5, 7 and 5. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay. Then. So we have 2 missing numbers now in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Okay. 9, 1, 2, 2, 5, 5, 5. Interesting. 7, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and a 1. We have a 7 and a 1 in this row. So no 7 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 1, 7 and 1. We have a 7 in this column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 there. 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 2, and the 9, 2, and the 9. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. Okay. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Well, wait. We already have a 7 here. This is not good. It's an error. We already have a 7. So it's not the 7. It's the 8. The 8 is missing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 should be here. So we have an 8 here. 8 there. Here should be the 8. Okay. Can I place the 8 here? Yeah, it's the Y now. Okay. Yeah. Let me think. The 1 in this row. Last row. 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the second column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. So, we have 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 3, 9. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9. And look, we have a 2 and a 9 in this column. So no 2 and a 9 in this box. The 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in the second column. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And then 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 3. 2 missing numbers now in the first column for the numbers. No, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Well, cannot fill this yet. Surprising, yes, surprising. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. I believe the same numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 in the second column. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 7 and a 3. We have a 7 in the second column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright, 1 box left in the second column for number 1. Alright. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now in the first row. So no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 7 and 5, we have a 5 now in the first row. So no 5 there, 5 should be here, and 7 goes there. 7 and 8, well, we have a 7 now in the first row. So no 7 there, 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 and 8, we have an 8 now in the first row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there, and the 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 7 and a 2, we already have a 7 now in the middle row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, and now, the 1 in this column, the 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. How about a 7? And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. How about the 5 then? And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 5. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 it goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers now. In this big square, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finishing 60 minutes. Cannot believe this. 60 minutes. Wow. Twice faster than previous Sudoku. They should, the publisher has changed or switched those two puzzles. It's not a 4 stars, not a 3 stars. Let me give it 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, so I will give this a 2 stars. Easier than the previous Sudoku. This one you need to think. Anyway, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. The binary and a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.